Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Shopify theme files for technical SEO edits, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize Shopify theme files for technical SEO edits, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section on the left sidebar. Click on themes to see your current theme. Locate the theme you want to edit and select actions. From the drop-down menu, choose edit code. You will now see the theme code files on the. Before making any changes, create a duplicate of your theme for safety. Click on Actions again and select Duplicate. This gives you a backup in case anything goes wrong. Now you can begin making your technical SEO changes. Locate the config folder in the theme file list. Open the settings_data.json file for advanced settings. Adjust any meta tags or structured data as needed. Next, look for the templates folder. Edit your index.liquid file to modify your home page's SEO. Check the sections folder for files like header.liquid. Here, you can change title tags and add meta descriptions. Always save your changes by clicking the Save button in the top right corner. Test your updates by previewing the changes on your live site. Use tools like Google Search Console to monitor your website's performance. Make further adjustments as necessary based on your findings. Continue refining for the best SEO practices as you learn more. With patience and practice, you will improve your store's visibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.